abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe sekudwini
Welcome, guys, to Enkundleni Exclusive, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events. Salamukela, guys. It's always a pleasure to be here. Sixoxa lani. And before I move on, let's remind each other, ukuthi, if you have any type of event, be it a church event, be it a family, be it a corporate event, social event, community event, Deb3 provides event management services. If you need a PA system, if you need a stage for hiring, if you need LED screens, special effects, smoke machines, sparklers, you name it, you can get in touch with Deb3 Events using our contacts akhona lapho ku screen. And also talking about photography, videography for all the events, and also if you just need a photo shoot, uyakwanisa ukuthi uxhumane le Deb3 Events iyakuchayela ama pictures akho la nxa umubi uyaphuma umuhle. And we also have a studio, for the creatives out there. We have a studio, khona lapha at Deb3 Events. If you need rehearsal space, if you need recording, mastering, you can get in touch also with Deb3 Events. Usebenzisa ama contacts akhona lapha ku screen. My name is Nonduduzo Ncube, and ngihamba lo General Leslie, ubesti wami, uSharp. Khuluma phe. Ngifuna ngikuthele lesivalweni ukuthi uzukhuluma.
Undothe isifuna mlomo.
Ukuthi uzukhulume ngikuthele njani?
Uqala ngithi title ngithi yeah, welcome. Sanibonani, hello, welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive. It's your boy again, Ujean Leslie, and we are back again. Like I always say, our episodes are powered by Oguhle Designs for all your graphic works, t-shirt printing, cap printing, whatever, couple goals, banners, whatever that you need that has to do with graphic designing, make sure you visit Oguhle Designs, or just contact them. Kuma numbers eslaw la. Mina benze emakhaya. So emakhaya la Starlink and la TV. Ngakugcina amabhafu. Khamba njani town?
Wagcina amabhafu.
Ngakugcina kumabhafu.
Wagcina mina kumabhafu. Okay.
Oh,
last week we were But we also had the content creators workshop or seminar, I can say.
I missed that one.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, I went there, and I have no regrets. It was a very informative and exciting event. And I think all the speakers, ngaphandle kuka Father Abraham, I think all the speakers did quite well. They did quite well, and also the chief was there. Yes.
Shwe.
Yeah. And it was, I think, into Liana mele bayenze very often. And I actually posted ukuthi into ezinjengaleziyana so zinto zamahara. Because ulwazi akade belunika abantu laphana. Do you know, problem yethu thina abantu angazi, I can't say black people. Maybe bemphonga ukuthi abantu bakithi ukuthi we underestimate value ye knowledge. We underestimate value yolwazi. Do you know ukuthi knowledge ngenye into yokuthi amanye amazwe, let's talk about developed countries. Knowledge is something that is very, very expensive. Umuntu ololwazi ukuthi abuye azolipha ulwazi kaphonga usuku manje. And for you guys to come and gain that knowledge, you have to pay something so that you value it. Yabo into oyibhadaleleyo uyakwazi ukuthi uyayinanzelela ukuthi iqhakathekile ngoba uyibhadalele. So it was a free event, maybe because they wanted to empower the upcoming ones, abangaka monetize, maybe becabanga ukuthi abala mali and stuff. But I think into enale, yes, it was good, but I think iphinde later disadvantage yokuthi bese kusiba le main sponsor. And the main sponsor, we know ukuthi most of the time the main sponsors they spoil ama events. Sebefuna ukwenza izpeeches, sebefuna ukwenza especially nxa kungama sponsors lana ngana lobu umhlangano phakathi. Yabo. They will spoil a very good event because what happened is that guy Father Abraham ubesesenza okunye kuyiculture la kunye singana sikujayelanga so kuyiculture ungana kukho mnandi you know and mina for me umuntu obehave njengakhona okuyana umuntu ongahloniphi imali you don't respect money and you don't respect anyone because he was very disrespectful to the audience. He was very disrespectful to the chief. Ngikhuluma mina ngubona kwa maybe bona bajayela ukudelelwa so bebengazi ukuthi bayadelelwa ama comedians because you find ukuthi sometimes when uzabona omunye umuntu angani uyadelelwa kathi yena vele ukubona ku right but from my perspective I think he was very very disrespectful so ngezikimi he disrespected the audience, he disrespected the organizers of the event, he disrespected the chief.
Yeah, mina I think what I like is follow nje comments and whatever. Then I made phone calls, 1 or 2 people bekunjani. So what I love the most is how these guys are now beginning to grow ukudlula just content creating to become civilly ama educators abantu abanika information and ngiyafisa ukuthi ngabe it grows further to ukubhala amabhuku civil bhala amabhuku because where we are heading to and vele this is the next industry and ukhona omunye umuntu ozafuna ukuthi angene ku-Amazon and just read these things ekade lizifundiswa or bezifundiswa for free and also I would encourage maybe live streams and have also people from other places, Gwanda, whatever, that can make it to the workshop babukele live stream. But otherwise,
I think it was live stream.
It was live stream.
Yeah, I think it was.
I
think it was live stream. I'm not sure which pages did. Maybe Joyful Ncube and Chikal Joy. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. But it was live streamed and. I think Liani Todiana Amelanga kube once-off thing.
I wanted to go there.
They can't do it again.
I wanted to go there ukuthi even esikolo I've realized ukuthi abantwana besikolo sebele this unique thing of creating content encourage ukuthi even umntana ongathanda isikolo ayesikolo so like sebele izinto so abazenzayo it started in South Africa where they would sing, they would dance, they would do this
those geography guys
abanye babe besenza kwama maths whatever like bengani bathethisana ngeMaths and all that and so uyabubukela uhleke ukholisa because ungavela uphume kiboshaka tu sela lawo kwesize yakho ngakubukela but if you're seeing those and I've seen even isikolo sibili endorsing i-technology ukuthi you find ukuthi bembukela ivideo eMatopo High School headmaster ba encourage ngani career guidance yabo I think bengo form 3 or form 4 ukuthi if you want to do this career you need these subjects and baku stream okuyinto lokho yana uthi even umuntu ongafunde eMatopo High be like okay so yoma subjects umele ngwayenzi la like kuyafika ebantwini abaningi then if we have decided that it's an empowering workshop we should be mindful of every little thing that we do because kucina kukhula into a cult like you are saying ukuthi nxa sokube lo main sponsor main sponsor waqalisa ukwenza izinto ezingayisizo it means lami ngelanga imonetization leyo ezasebenza khona kimi ngibe le mali ngizaqalisa lami ukugidisa nesi
because you know what
because I'll feel like that's the thing
I think enye into ekhona ukuthi when I think umele sifundisana ukuthi when we have these sponsors you know collaborating with the companies and stuff corporates and the like if njengokuthi kunje so ngingunonduduzo Ncube i-company ibuye kimi ifuna uku-collaborate lami on something or it wants to sponsor whatever I'm doing nxa sivumelana laphana we have to have boundaries.
Yeah.
I-companies angitshela ama-expectations ayo. And let me, I'll also tell them my expectations. So ama-boundaries lawana, they will help ukuthi sihloniphane in whatever we are doing.
Yeah.
Because you can't tell me ukuthi just because ungu-sponsor, ngizathi ngingu-MC ngikhuluma ubuyizwa ngijamulela imike wena ukhuluma.
So it means kuma empowers lalaba ba empower my empires we have a serious subject which is missing. Ama contracts and whatever.
And respect.
And that's where we lose it. Ukuthi even monetarize your page and uza kube kukwamula online because i-subject leyana yokuthi asihlonipheni umphakathi, asihlonipheni ama-followers ethu, asihlonipheni umsebenzi specifically. Because nxa mina usuthe ngingu-director of Solomon, it means yimi esenirana khathesi.
Yes.
I-program kumele linike before the event ukwenza ukuthi nxa sengu-event lingabe linyenyeza. I always say TV emtshadweni ukuthi okulayi kongulandela ngifuna umuntu obuye sizonyenyezela.
Hayi phela ama-images avuka.
Images ayivuke kuhle. Ukuthi kuphela ama-images angu-36.
I-emergency yokujamulela imike yengayi.
Aso emergency yona leyo. Aso emergency. Lokho sokukunye lo. Ezothi emergency vele ingavuka nje. Lawe njengo-MC uyabona ukuthi lapha kulento some ngiconsult ucina usithi faka ingoma, afaka ingoma lawe ye-consult. Kanti lapha awuva. Pero ungabona imike anti seface mina ngiyabuza.
Uyakwazi ukuthi eyike into mina engiyibonile yana. Not because of the workshop, but from izinto nje ezenzakala ngayo even during the workshop, after and before. Ama-content creators awatshelani iqiniso.
Yeah, uqinisile.
But you know, bayabhigana ngamanga. Hayi lapho uyachuna lapha. Hayi lapho uyachuna. Umuntu esenza udaka. Udaka. Ah wena uyabulala wena.
No, I think okunye okubangela khonokho kakhulu is
kuthiwa i-positive criticism. Guys, i-positive criticism man ayisikho kubhigana umuntu eponda.
Yeah, that's what
because you're not building anything.
Yeah, ikho ngitsho ukuthi okunye ukuthi we don't know exactly what we are supposed to be doing and then we're just doing anything so that I post a video online. For example, uyakubona ama-content creators lawana abayenza ukupheka kuphela. Umuntu lana bengu-trained chef la and even i-language ayikhulumayo ama-spices and he knows exactly ukuthi ukhuluma ngani and abezimota labana ukutshela imota le ukutshela ama-specs inji le what and yiyo content yakhe and Leslie wena wenzani kanti
Baba zonke ungakaniki ungunesi udokotela.
Because you easily lose relevance then lapho uthole kona i-sponsor siyakwenzisa because loba yini bra uyakwanisa uku-advertise ama-towels chai
Okay. Like into esiyikhuluma before behind the scenes, right? Yokuthi sometimes you find ukuthi and ngizengasebenzisa i-example kaMadam Boss. Ukuthi uMadam Boss siyakwazi ukuthi ulama skits, ulani comedy, she acts and all that. But we also know ukuthi when we say girl child rights, women rights, usukumela phezulu. She is known for that cause. Yabo? But you will find our content creators awula even one cause ongayimela, not climate change, not local development, not even church nje. You have nothing that you stand for. Sibuzana ukuthi what does this person stand for? Hayi lo uyasihlekisa and that's it. Yabo, uDesire Moyo sasikwazi ukuthi uku politics, uku activism. That's his cause.
Sikhonja wayemela amandebele.
Uledi Chawe siyakwazi ukuthi umela i-culture. Vele Ledi Chawe vele culture kuphela vele.
Local soul.
And singavele sithi culture vele if someone says Ledi Chawe, you just think of culture.
Into the culture.
Yeah, but she does a lot of things.
Yeah, a lot.
But she is known for that cause. She does a lot. Vele culture and stuff. But she is known ukuthi vele ngamasiko akhe vele kafuna ukuzwa. Yabo, Madam Boss girls rights kafuna ukuzwa. You get what I'm saying? Kulo Tendera Shoko siyakwazi ukuthi ngedoti kafuna ukuzwa. Keep Bulawayo clean. He doesn't play. Yendaba ye littering he doesn't play.
Ulokuzeni ke lo uthinashi.
Thinashi.
Umgabe.
So kulamanye abantu ukuthi uyamkhangela ukuthi okay uhlekisa abantu but
And then what?
what i-cause yakhe kahle kahle what is it?
Yeah.
Kulokhu kwaba nombuzo ukuthi what's your contribution to society?
Yeah.
You know, and you have nothing to say. You just say mina ngihlekisa abantu.
Yeah,
Well, maybe singathi uyabahlekisa i-therapy but
Yeah, kuba i-public
hey, kulomunye
kuba
othi vele uyena vele I've seen some big accounts, big content creators bencedisa abantu diaspora, how to leave the country, how to go there usekle and stuff like that. That's something.
Kama ship cruise look.
Yes,
Skepeni garisi Malaysia sifuphe kama prawns.
Hey, what do you stand by? What do you stand for?
No, I think that's a serious subject because akupheleli only kuma content creators and even us stand-up comedians,
Musicians, yes.
mina for every artist endilandelayo I have a reason. Dala ngangokwanisa ukulalela uJapraise, but I think previous 4 years and ngiyamlalela sibili okuzwayo because sengikwazi ukuthi uJapraise ukhuluma ngani vele and sengikwazi ukuthi Winky D Nyakwazi ukuthi iphoza likhuluma ngani. Nyakwazi and I listen a lot to abo Sjava, Thandiswa Mazwai.
I think into ena leyo yokuthi ube lento oduma ngayo iyakhulisa your brand. Because ungaba nguzonke we don't even know what to associate you with. Kahle. You are doing all these things but okwenza sikucabangi what pops up when we say your name.
I think ikhomaqaqa ekwanisa ukugcwalisa theater kaningi.
Because i-brand yawo bayibuilder is strong.
Awuvuke lalela isicathamie singela dalushini.
You get it.
Yes. No, ngiyakuzwa. Ibinjani Buff?
Buff was nice. I went to what do you call it?
Kings and Queens.
Kings and Queens.
Hey, massive.
It was amazing.
Massive.
It was amazing.
Yeah.
And then the only thing that disappointed me was Umzo ngiyamthanda Gaya, but one disappointing ukuthi I think ubekhuluma kakhulu estaging. Umzo phela the first song he sang, wahlabela abantu, yeah. And then the next song and the third song, I think he talked too much.
Ubese motivational speech.
Angazi mpube nathi Highlanders African.
Le ngakuthanda. Uyabuyisa njengobuthelezo so ngqona the African team so.
Yes. And I have to mention Ubutelezo because you know, unchamile.
I saw a post, I think ngo sister Standazilo when he was saying, Wakuthekwa, I said, no, I love this song for you. Seli personalize ingoma zethu.
But besides that, I think it was an amazing event.
Yeah.
But I am so ngabokhuluma kakhulu. Mzo
Hlabela.
ngiyakhuza.
Bayakhuza. But mina I enjoyed ama-performances amaningi. Unfortunately not wonke, not because umuntu yabe ngenza kuhle but maybe nyabe ngingazwisisi kakhulu because lama ngikho too universal. But ama-performances amaningi sibili ngawukholisa and the fact that abantu thina la esibabona ngathi bancane ama-artist ethu mancane ukubona i-large city hall yonke ihlabela ingoma yomuntu yena engakayihlabeli lookana yikho lokha lookana yikho lokha like wonke umuntu
Bila is hot.
lookana yikho lokha haye wena le set lakho so liprepare so abantu baqala ukuhlabela ezinye ingoma zakho so ezingekho so
wathi hayi le yasirisa
hayi lokha kuhle lokha kuyabukeka lokha Peter, keep working my guy. I think umsebenzi ungaqhubeka and what you are saying again mina uBila sengikwazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani ungalalela sibili ingoma zakhe ezinenge sibili and lokuthi uchanta nje like ule certain ndlela ahamba ngayo consistent so uyakwanisa ukumlandela uthi no uhamba so uBila and so lawo nxa usenza umpite emazweni bamba khonapho vele ungasuki vele
anje mbona umpite emazweni uthi vele
ibambe njalo
khonapho
ibambe njalo ungatsheki but it was amazing. I watched iThibulika Rumba online on Semakhaya Hayi rumba yami.
It doesn't disappoint. Afu uhambo yazi, but
Hayi rumba yami hayi.
kwenzakala okwenzakalayo. And also congratulations to the Kasi winner.
Yeah.
uTracy. Sithi amhlophe siyakuhalalisela.
Yeah, well done, Tracy. Well done. And the one culture yakhona ngiyayithanda ukuthi we had uGagisa anti. Gagisa winikas to gas. Keep the album gcwalisa theater. And we had Ado anti. Ado Ado has always been massive. Matutu Ado. Yes. Ado did good songs. I remember my first comedy production Ado ngiwa open ayo. We had to Ricky Eyes. Mfana olenye into yakhe so yedwa so unique, so I listened to ingoma zakhe azenzayo e-studio and yeah kule bomba yaweliphekwa so abantu bengakwazi and andabona ukuthi nxa sesiyafika kubo Tracy going on and sesile confidence ukuthi ungawina ikasi to kasi
You go somewhere.
ungehluleka nguwe wena
Yes.
but i-platform yokuthi u-explore ayabi khona sibile bichayiwe phambi kwakho kungayala nguwe wena uyabo yenze kwayala then thina phela futhi kona i-step 3 siyapheka i-album kadeso
Yes.
siyapheka i-album so far ezinye angikazilaleli but my best ngekabhajila isitombeni sikankomo no ngiyayithanda manje ingoma le so i-album ye-step 3 band iyaphuma very soon anti
It's Deb Band.
siyaphuma yona anti oh so sesimelele live anti sesimelele ama-videos lokuthi i-live ibuye so i-Deb Band sithola ngam-produce Spotify is there Deb Band the Deb Band and so ungakalaleli eziningi ngicela bakithi ugijimelaleli ingoma kabhajila ele Deb Band okuthiwa esithombe sikankomo ubusintshela ukuthi ucabangani hayi lapha siyapheka la and it featured a lot of guys Bila Lemonique this one is the other one and, but okusala siyapheka la
Kuphekwa kuvuthwa.
yes siyaxhwathisa la
Anyway, uLeslie ngingaphika ngaye siyagcina
Alright,
singachayisanga.
okay, I'm so
Okay, moving on. Indaba ebichisa. Miss Universe Zimbabwe 2026. Hey madoda.
ngisukume model
Afu give modeling.
mina imphumile hayi mina
So,
imphumile
kuthiwa nguRosina Rosina Hall. She was the winner of Miss Universe 2026.
Congratulations.
Now, apparently, I can't say congratulations, but
khonokho phela ukuthi anti
apparently she was the judge. She was one of the judges last year.
yeah
And this year she won.
umuntu osetha iphepha lezimseki ukuthi uyayilibhala afeyile njani
Utitsha kade kufundisa last year. This year winning prize giving day.
wini prize give it nguyutisa omkhulu wemaths
Kuthiwa the winner of this year.
so kwamina nombalisi umbalisi okwaziyo ukuthi kujajwa njani okwaziyo
Anyway, very Miss Universe this year, 2026, it had lots of issues because we saw disgruntlement when it came to organizing yankhona ukuthi izinto zankhona it was not up to par, it was not the standard, and then we have this lady winning whoever she is, and also indaba kaZozi ingikhumbuza former coach we-Highlanders. What was his name?
akazi lo
Coach
South Africa
we-South Africa wabuya engakhotshanga kwathiwa abuyela.
wasayinwa wabuyela
Because I was expecting ukuthi she's a former Miss Universe in the world,
yeah
guys.
big brand
I was expecting that she was going to be one of the judges. And then uselo teach matters usengipresenter yo
Yakala.
azuthi eZimbabwe ngikutshela abantu asibaboni shebe kudelela kuphela.
Mina, I think it goes to, I know it goes back to even incident here, content creators and not all that. Mina, I think i-advise engaba layo, angazi ukuthi ngi-advise ngingubani, yukuthi ma usidla nti, dlana phela uyesula umlomo. Then nxa ususuthi, faka umganu phansi kweze uthi omunye olambileyo laye adle. Ngoba into zakhona indlela ezenzakala ngayo uyabubona ukuthi imali le singenelele but isakwanisa phela ukwenza ukuthi kungani kuyafihlakala so ukubola.
Uyazi uthini? Ngapha uMiss Universe wethu. Okay. Let's be honest guys, she's old.
Ngingazi khona.
Hayi imdala ndoda.
Oh,
35, 36.
Mntwana,
Size
mntwana.
mina kade singeqalisa ukuthi zali representa ku Miss World. Wena.
Ngumntwana.
So I said Zimbabweans must forget about Miss
Universe, yeah.
International.
Yeah.
Sikhohlweni vele akusekho sokuphelile so. Because like what the heck?
But it goes on and esintwini bathi ngaqhoba ithambo yadelela. It goes on and on because ungabona sesikwanisa ukuba labahlonitshwa abakhulu abahlala besithi mina ibandla elibusayo nyalizonda kwathini and abantu laba bangamasela bale corruption then kube sokuthiwa usisilo sewinile akakaqokiswa le crown usuthu ujika imali usuthu yeqayeqa kwampana uyeqayeqa then uqede uyekhuluma ispeech sokuthi njobe winile nizakhuluma lozibani bamnika imali lokhana isikho lokho.
And uThemba Mliswa trended more than the winner.
The winner
Yeah.
uThemba Mliswa
He
nguye
took-
owina
he
i-crown
He took
ye-crown.
all the spotlight. He took all the spotlight. And then also we have this Teach Matters guy
Angimbona what is it?
sexualizing the whole thing. Very unprofessional. No professionalism whatsoever.
Lezi njalo Teach Matters.
As polished as he is.
Legend Teach Matters. We grew up watching on Teach
Hayi,
Matters. We wanted to be like Teach Matters.
Umdala le exposure lwa. We expect ukuthi iswimwe abe seyijayile. The exposure layo we expect
He was swimming.
He made sexual comments after amankazana esehambe modele in swimwear and he was making some funny comments and he actually made a funny comment to his co-host. Yabo? So Kuchithi vele angwazi but as exposed as he is. Exposure la you can bring the donkey.
You can take the river to the donkey, but you can't donkey the river water drink.
This guy this guy has so much exposure ukuthi mina bengizitshela ukuthi into ezinjabo swimwear lezani into azijayele into zakhe lezi ujayele ukubona the beautiful ladies ujayele
Imthambo
into ujayele vele you just move around.
Imthambo ibisivulekile.
Njani wena ujayele?
Imthambo
Anyway, so I think mina personally I think it was a flop.
Yeah, we can safely say that. Like yukuthi ama inconsistency abesegcekeni. And all right, we could have ignored the Themba Mliswa throwing money thing and say, well, ube tabela whosoever is one and but khonokho ukuthi ngomuntu okade evele engurefri.
Ngapha siyalingana guys. I'm sorry to those who are going to think it's ageism, man. I'm sorry to those who are going to think it's ageism. But I don't think mina nginje sibili kuthiwe sengimodela ngarepresent iZimbabwe at 36.
Mina umbuzo wami ulula I think ngiyavala ngawo. Ekuthini mina khathesi kuyayenza yena ukuthi kuthiwe sensiya adjudicate i-competition okukhompyutha abo Chikal Joy abo Doc Vikela guys engikwazi ukuthi laba these are my legends ku comedy because reason why I'm asking this question is criteria abayisebenzisa ukukhetha ama judge yipi if ujudge ezaphinda compete and nxa usungujudge it means you have exceeded the level of that competition. Awusakwani wena ukuthi kuthiwa uyacompete labantu laba kuwe usuba inspire after ukuthi guys abawinile well done abayihlulekileyo so
Miss Universe South Africa, Miss Universe World in the world becomes a co-host.
then okade jaja last year uyabona ukuthi into yakho na igango obejaja last year usewinile owawina amazwe wonke usengopresenter owina lapha sejaja
isisana
ngumthetho wezinja akuzwakali akula sawudo lo mxanxa wendumba lo akula sawudo right iyalena sijini khona bakithi lokho kunye lengabile ndaba lapho ijini eyenza ukuthi ukukhulume iqiniso ukuthi hayi mina lokho angikukwanisi ngikwanisa lokho kumbe lokho ngiyakukwanisa and into engiyithanda kakhulu nge-Highlanders African gene ngeyokuthi it's one of those genes that will make you speak English nxa usebantwini uyakubona itype lana ethi nxa isidakiwe ithi where is your CV I can hire you ijini le asijini yokuthi ngowabulala ubaba kumbe hayi le iyakukhulumisa ngesikhiwa ithi I can make a plan utshela umuntu I can make a plan. So if you haven't got Highlanders gene yet or if you haven't tested it, thatha bakithi awakho owakwanisayo bathi thola okukwanisayo faka cabinet la ungaba lama visitors ukhipha ivuvuzelo uthi ukhipha ijini ubathelele emaklasi kube mnandi kube njalo. So Highlanders gene silayo lapha eDep 3 ikhona nje endaweni ezinenginengi but nxa ufuna you can contact us sakudeliver iHighlanders gene as long as it's in CBD ungakhangela futhi even khona eBoso just contact iHighlanders bakwazi ukusupply but le uyithenge la eAsia sakwazi ukuyiletha eMalaysia eFrance eBurkina Faso eAustria ijini sakwazi ukuyiletha. So if you need iHighlanders gene sinaji bakithi asinathi sonke sikholise sonke and drink responsible bakithi lingasibulalela imoto zethu amasekene. Yeah.
Okay, so speaking of cars, imoto asibiye zizogeza Royal Shine Car Wash along 4th Street between Masocha and Connaught. Opening hours is from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Saturday and 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on Sunday. So imoto azibuye car wash zizogeza. So Leslie, any events?
Bensemakhaya. I'm blank.
You're blank.
I'm blank.
Uzasiphathela
next week.
Uzasiphathela next week. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to click ibhera lena lelo elikhona khona lapho, subscribe and also follow Debris across all social media platforms. And ama comments siyawathanda kakhulu awaqhubeke ebuya ama comments khona lapho. And also please do follow my social media pages ibizo Nonduduzo Ncube across all social media platforms, and the same for General Leslie across all social media platforms. Sibona njalo kuvikelizayo. Thank you so much.
What is Salibona Singakhangela?
Oh,
yes.
Salibona Singakhangela.
Well done. Thank you so much. Salibona Singakhangela.
Ozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu Ndaba esekudwini